Welcome to FRELOTEX Technologies, where we are dedicated to helping people acquire practical digital skills that lead to meaningful careers, successful businesses, self-reliance, and financial independence. Have you ever wondered how companies deliver new software updates so quickly without disrupting their services? How do mobile apps and websites continue improving while millions of people use them every day? The answer is DevOps. DevOps is a modern approach that brings software development and IT operations together to build, test, deploy, and maintain applications faster, more efficiently, and more reliably. It combines automation, collaboration, and continuous improvement to help organizations deliver better software. One of the biggest benefits of DevOps is speed. Development teams can release new features, fix bugs, and improve applications much faster than with traditional software development methods. This allows businesses to respond quickly to customer needs and changing market demands. Another important benefit is reliability. DevOps uses automated testing, continuous monitoring, and deployment pipelines to reduce errors and improve the stability of applications. This means fewer service interruptions and a better experience for users. DevOps also improves collaboration. Instead of developers and IT operations working separately, they work together throughout the entire software lifecycle. Better communication leads to faster problem solving, greater efficiency, and higher quality software. Another major advantage is automation. Repetitive tasks such as testing, software deployment, infrastructure management, and monitoring can be automated, saving time, reducing costs, and minimizing human error. Today, DevOps is used by technology companies, banks, healthcare organizations, government agencies, telecommunications providers, e-commerce businesses, and startups around the world. As more organizations move to cloud computing, the demand for DevOps professionals continues to increase. At FRELOTEX Technologies, we provide practical DevOps training that equips learners with hands-on experience in cloud platforms, version control, continuous integration, continuous deployment, automation, containerization, infrastructure management, and monitoring tools. Our practical approach prepares you to work confidently in modern technology environments. Our mission goes beyond teaching technology. We want to help you become self-reliant. The practical DevOps skills you gain at FRELOTEX Technologies can help you secure employment as a DevOps engineer, cloud engineer, site reliability engineer, or infrastructure engineer. You can also work remotely for companies around the world, provide DevOps consulting services, or establish your own technology business. These employable and entrepreneurial skills can create multiple streams of income and help you achieve long-term financial independence. The future of software development depends on speed, automation, and collaboration. By learning DevOps today, you're investing in one of the fastest growing and most rewarding careers in the technology industry. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to build a successful future in technology. To learn more about our practical digital skills training and discover how FRELOTEX Technologies can help you become self-reliant through employable and entrepreneurial digital skills, visit frelotex.com. Thank you for watching, and remember, at FRELOTEX Technologies, we don't just teach technology. We equip you with practical skills that help you build successful careers, launch innovative businesses, generate sustainable income, and thrive in the digital economy.